Hi, Grammar here once again with another topic that sometimes is just a little bit confusing, okay? So, when we're expressing reasons, sometimes some students have problems with when to use because, when to use that's why, and when to use why. Well, here I have it for you in a few easy steps. The first one, why, is usually going to be for a question, okay? So, for example, why do you have to go? So, if I'm asking a question, what I want to use is why. Once again, why do you have to go? Now, I have two possible, well, there are actually many possible answers to that. However, here I have two using because and that's why. But they're a little bit different. Let's take a look at them. In the first one, I have to go because it's getting late. Here the correct word to use is because. If I'm going to express the reason after this word, then I want to use because. I have to go because it's getting late. It's getting late is the reason. If we take a look at this second statement, it's getting late. Here, my reason is first. It's getting late. So, in my second sentence, I'm going to start it with that's why. So, here we have, it's getting late. That's why I have to go. Okay? So, once again, if I'm asking a question, we're going to use why, as in, why do you have to go? If I'm going to give a statement, and I'm going to say the reason after, then I'm going to use because. I have to go because it's getting late. And if I'm going to, in a statement once again, state the reason first, it's getting late, then I want to use that's why I have to go. Okay, so this is a piece of cake. As long as you practice, remember this is nothing but hard work, okay? English, well, it's easy peasy, super breezy.